Payment revision needed on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually fix payment revision needed by Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes whenever you are browsing through Amazon products, you might automatically get a pop-up that says payment revision needed. Now this is nothing sort of a serious issue. All it is telling is that Amazon is asking you to revise the payment method, maybe because you haven't revised it for a long time, or maybe because Amazon is not being able to communicate with your payment method. Maybe you are running out of balance on your card, or maybe that your card is not working anymore. Anything could be the reason, and the process to fix this is just simply remove the payment method and try adding the same one or the other payment method to see if that helps you solve the problem. So all you have to do is open the Amazon shopping application here, and then just come to the account icon from the bottom of the screen. Then go to the option right here known as your orders, and when you go to the your account tab, and after you come to your account, over here if you scroll down here, you'll find the option called payments, and here it says your payments. So now you can just tap the your payments option here, and when you tap the your payment option, you should be able to select cards and your accounts. So first of all, if you've added any sort of cards, you can try to remove them, and then just go ahead and then remove those cards and try adding a secondary card if you have, because the issue is only with the payment method and not your Amazon account. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.